There are three modes of working with Insight MrBit, which you can select with these buttons on the toolbar. Design mode is for building and editing control systems and creating program scripts. Run mode is for testing programs on the screen and seeing how they work as a simulation. Control mode is for making your system control the microbit directly using Bluetooth wireless. Let's start by building a system in design mode. All the building blocks for a system are available from these buttons. Input sensors. Here we have sensors on board the microbit, a range of buttons and switches, and a number of analog sensors giving us measurements. Output devices. These are the things that we want to control. The microbit LEDs, and a variety of external devices which we can connect to the microbit. More LEDs, a buzzer, a motor down here, and so on. Here in the middle, we have all the control modules that do the work for us when we program them. Let's choose the basic simple control. This will switch on an output device as soon as the program starts running. Suppose we want to display a message on the LEDs. We start by tapping the module to show the editing tabs. Then we drag a link to the LEDs. There are several ways of using the LEDs. We can show an image by defining a pattern of dots. We can create an animation with a series of images. Here we want to show a message. We type the message and we are ready. The program for this module appears in the text panel. Notice that MrBit has automatically calculated the time needed to display our message. Let's see how the program works. We can test it by switching to run mode. Notice that the message displays repeatedly on the LEDs. By default, the control program keeps repeating until you change mode. Now let's use the program to control the microbit. We select control mode here. Suppose we only want the message to appear when we press the button. We return to design mode and start editing. Drag a link from the When tab to the button. Choose a condition. Let's choose Gets Pressed. Notice that the beginning of the program has changed to when the button gets pressed. Let's see how the new program works. We select Run mode again. And now the message only shows when we press the button. We don't have to hold the button down because we chose the pressing event as the condition. We can see the same action in the scene view. If we wanted the message to appear more than once, we could adjust the time, making it longer. Back to design mode. Drag a link from until to time and adjust the slider. Suppose now we want the message to show until we press the button again. We can cancel the time setting and drag a link from until to the button. Again, we choose the Gets Pressed condition. Let's try it in run mode. Press to start. Press again to stop. and in control mode.